What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, guys, so if you're having challenges on your face and your face is not smooth, your face is not uniform, this remedy that I'm mixing right now is going to be the savior. Okay, it's going to help you a whole lot because it's going to glow your skin instantly. So if you do love this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share the video. All right, let's dive into the video. For a super glowing and shiny skin, you're going to be needing yogurt. Now you're going to be needing unsweetened yogurt that does not actually contain sugar. Okay, now it contains a lactic acid, which helps to increase the skin elasticity, and it therefore helps in slowing down the process of aging, removing wrinkles and fine lines, and it therefore helps to leave your skin glowing, youthful and younger. All right, for the yogurt, I'm gonna be taking in half tablespoon of that. Okay, that is gonna be perfect. Also, we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a natural remedy that is great in slowing down the aging process. It is a moisturizing therapy for sunburn, dry skin and also irritating skin. So it will help to remove and eradicate wrinkles and fine lines. And also we're going to be putting in half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can actually use the fresh aloe vera if you have it, but if you don't have it, you can use the processed 100% aloe vera. We're also going to be making use of baking soda. Now baking soda is an ingredient that exfoliates the dead skin cells from the skin. It therefore leaves the skin youthful and radiant, and it also gets rid of dark spots, pimples and pigmentations. Then you're going to be making use of the baking soda. And we're going to also be making use of potato. Now potato contains a whitening property and an ingredient that helps to close the large and open pores, and it therefore leaves the skin glowing, youthful, radiant. For the potato, we're going to be peeling it, okay, so we can get the potato juice, or you can actually just cook it, blend it, and then you can get the potato puree and use the whole thing. Okay, all right guys, so now I'll be pressing it. I would love to do it in a circular motion because it's going to help the water, the juice of the potato, to come out really well, so I can have something to squeeze out and glow the skin with it. Okay, all right, so now you just have to squeeze out the juice of the potato. This potato is really fresh. And you're going to see some starch, so you have to shake it before you turn that into it. Okay, so after that is done, then you can stir it all up. Alright guys, so here the treatments, and when you wake up in the morning, this is what you should use before you even apply anything on your face. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to apply this on my whole face and apply generously, like let it be very much. Okay, You apply much of it, and it's just going to, man, like, do this, guys. You're going to love the way this is just gonna be on your skin. Okay, you're going to love the way it's gonna be on your skin. So you apply it and apply everywhere. Okay, so after you've applied like this, then you can hold on for like a couple of minutes, for like 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, if you want, you can just scrub some side that you think that it's actually not, you think that it's actually not smooth. Like for me, my face, sometimes the T-zone, mostly I think everybody, sometimes the T-zone around this place on top of your nose and here, most of the time here. Okay, so you scrub it, and after that you go wash it off. You can wash this off with lukewarm water or with just the normal water. Okay, so after waiting for like 1 minute, then you can wash it off. All right. Ooh. The baking soda you eat makes it taste salty, but it's very good because it just gets into my mouth a little. All right. So after washing, if you must use anything, you have to use a toilet soap. All right. Toilet soap will be better to wash it all off, and you're good. So please love this. Like, if you do love the video, like it, subscribe and share, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.